ki khubor ka bate si TV rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden Sngewsih sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 pusau
Thomas Johnson College Juwai kerapun kuburam ya ki shispa praphongut ki samla puli ki bala Pyndep ya ka kedan puli graduate ha ka Bachelors of Arts ani ka BA, Bachelors of Commerce ani ka BCom, Bachelor of Science ani ka BSc, bat ka HSSLC ha ka jingrakhe ya ka graduation day 8000 pusau ha phalau ka college ha ka si thodiang. Ya ka jingalang pun kuburam la penya dari Dr. PBM Rani Assistant Professor Department of Botany ha ka jingadan lang ukongsan u Reverend KL Giri Member Governing Body Thomas Johnson College kinohikai ber ki samla puli Shwa ka jingpun kuburam la yo ya ka jingkran pediang na ka principal ka college ka Dr. Yarap lang dakhar ber ka jingpuli bat duai na ka kong M Sutenga u Reverend KL Giri ha ka jingkran ulapan pau ya ka jingkemen ban yo Sngewsih ba ka Thomas Johnson College kala sei hadu shispa praphongut ki samla ki bala Pyndep ya ka jingpuli mentau snam bat ula ai ku blai kerpang ya ka jingjob ka jongki kalong ka bashisha bat ka Sngewsih ban yo I babun ki samla ki bala Pyndep ya ki jingpuli ki feel pat ha ka jingim ka badan Jingmut bat ka job kumta u Reverend Giri ula kuntu ya ki samla puli ka ni ka college ban ya ka jingim ka ba ha ka bamiat bat ka jingjob ha ka jingim nalor ki shispa praphongut ki samla puli la pun ku buram ru ya ki khatwe ngot ki department topper bat we college topper lapun phu pun phieng ya kan ki kerpang jong ki samla puli da ki jingdwai bala shimbenta da ki samla puli jong kan ki college
he was a graduate to all the achievers Srimati M Jungai and a notable a huge round of applause for Mr.
Indeed, it is a very pleasant thing to know, to hear that Thomas Johnson College has produced as many as 160 plus graduates this year. So this is a graduation day. So I would like to focus my speech on this particular word, graduate. What does it mean? Of course, all of us, we know the literal meaning of it. But at this time, I want to dwell on the significance of the 8 letters which form this word, graduate. And we'll try to see what each letter has to teach or has to say something about your life as the graduates. So the 8 letters which form the word graduate are G, R, A, D, U, T, and E. So the first letter G, what does it stand for? The first letter G stands for the word grown up. Okay, it stands for the word grown up. So when I say grown up, it doesn't mean only the physical growth, but it means especially the growth in terms of mental, psychological, spiritual, and social aspects of your life. So in other words, we can say that a graduate is a person who has grown up, not only physically, but also in terms of wisdom. So I hope that all of you as the graduates, through all the learnings which you have attained through all the years, you have grown up in wisdom. The wisdom how to live, and the wisdom how to be successful in life. Of course, it is a sad reality to see that many graduates, many people even after graduating, they fail to live a meaningful and a successful life.
I take this golden opportunity to extend my heartfelt thank you to our dedicated and hardworking teachers, without whom we would not be here as we are today. You have done great things for us in teaching, guiding us, in providing us with valuable knowledge and information, clearing our doubts, and most importantly, being so kind and patient in spite of our weaknesses. A very big thank you to you all, my dear teachers.
Of course, as the first batch of the science stream, as you all know, we are all under pressure to achieve good results so that our college will have a good reputation to stand on. But despite all the odds, we did it, class. So let's take this moment to appreciate our teachers who have made it all happen. They have guided us through a jungle of complex theories, and they have kept us from being extinct by handing us extension on those never-ending assignments. Even though we as students of zoology, we feel like sometimes we're living in the never-ending episode of Survivor, the zoology edition. We will never forget you, teacher, or stop being grateful for the indelible mark you have left on us. So let's give our teachers a round of applause.